Hello viewer. Welcome to HKR Trainings. Are you willing to advance your career with Tosca? HKR Trainings offers the top-notch Tosca training to the learner by industry experts. Now, let's see why Tosca is used. Any software needs to be tested before it is released for use. Today, software testing tools play a crucial role in a tester's job, saving the software testers money and time. Multiple software testing tools are available in the market today, and many provide good quality service. Moreover, the introduction of automation pushed the software testing work ahead. In this regard, Tosca is a handy tool for software testing, and it holds the best position in the testing space. What is Tosca? Tosca stands for Topology and Orchestration Specification for Cloud Applications. It provides both solutions for software testing and quality assurance in the software testing. Simply put, Tosca is an automation tool for software testing that offers end-to-end software testing solutions. Moreover, Tosca, a group of test cases, is an automation tool that includes multiple aspects of software testing, such as designing test cases and test data, automation testing, analytics, integrated test management, and GUI. Further, Tosca makes testing much easier and offers great flexibility with automated testing solutions. Career opportunities in Tosca. For skilled Tosca automation test engineers, there are multiple job opportunities available. Many tech giants like Accenture, Lind, Fiserv, and others use Tosca in their IT testing. The average salary of a Tosca automation test engineer ranges between rupees 4 to 10 lakhs per annum. The growing skills and experience can enhance the salary range of these experts. In the USA, a Tosca automation test engineer can earn around $60,000 to $80,000. The growing skills and experience can enhance the salary range of these experts. So if you are someone interested in advancing your career, then this Tosca training would help you in reaching your career prospects. Now, let's go through the topics covered in Tosca training. Following are the modules that will be covered in this Tosca training. Tosca Introduction, Tosca Overview, Tosca Commander. Test cases and modules. Standard modules, playback, record, test case designing and modules. Synchronization, test step blocks. Loops and conditions. Tables, execution list. Additional concepts. Companies using Tosca. Many companies across various industries use Tosca for their software testing needs. Some notable companies known to use Tosca include Accenture, Capgemini, Lind Group, Fiserv Inc., Nationwide, Aegon, MetLife, Cummins, Tyson Foods. However, the usage of Tosca may vary from organization to organization, and new companies may adopt Tosca in the future. Why learn Tosca from HKR Trainings? HKR Trainings is a leading provider of Tosca training. We provide live instructor-led training with hands-on practical sessions, offering flexible modes of training. We also provide class recordings with lifetime access, which you can use to revise the concepts. We also provide real-time industry projects that give you work experience using the Tosca concepts. HKR Trainings also offers weekday sessions as well as weekend sessions for Tosca to the learners, so that they can choose their flexible mode of training. In the weekday sessions, the training is conducted for 1 hour per day, and while the complete duration of the course is 24 hours. The weekend sessions span a duration of 5 to 6 weeks, with each day consisting of 3 to 4 hours of training during weekends, that is on Saturday and Sunday. If you want to build a bright career with Tosca, visit www.hkrtrainings.com and advance your career.